Wednesdays have become one of my favourite days of the week purely because it's Mr. Black Day on my channel. I've got so many of these to rock out for the rest of the year. I'm using Mr. Black primarily to create espresso martinis, flips and riffs, but there will be a few coffee cocktails to come. This is a very, very simple espresso martini, but we've gone with ginger in here. So rant mode did not get engaged with my ginger liqueur. I've kind of touched on it briefly, but I haven't gone full rant mode. Now, over the previous few weeks, we've gone fun, we've gone kind of fruity even, we've gone leery with espresso martinis. I think it's fair to say this one as a ginger espresso martini, I've gone classy. So let's run through the ingredients for this. This is so super simple. We've gone for Jack Daniels Rye. I've got kind of into my rye, and I thought with the ginger, the rye, spicy notes of a rye whiskey would go perfectly well. Obviously, we've gone Mr. Black, haven't we? The video's all about Mr. Black, my go-to coffee liqueur. As I always say, I love Kahlua. I really do love Kahlua. It's just a bit too sweet when you're adding other flavours to it, and Mr. Black is perfect for that. Mr. Black, it is a cracking coffee liqueur in its own right, vodka-based, amazing, so good to drink neat. But as I say, it just lends itself perfectly to play about with other flavours. The eagle eyes amongst you will have noticed, rest in peace, King's Ginger. I don't know whether it's still there. I might upload it as an unlisted video. I had a little bit of rant about King's Ginger. They have reformulated as opposed to just rebranded. So it's a completely different recipe now. It's kind of lemon citrus forward with ginger because that goes better with whiskey after 15 years or so of it being King's Ginger. So rest in peace, King's Ginger. We loved you. However, you're a distant memory. Long live Giffard. Ginger the Indies. Ginger of the Indies. Really, really good. It's not the original King's Ginger, but it's very, very close. And then lastly, espresso. Right then, let's crack on with making this. First ingredient I'm going for is my Jack Daniels Rye. Feel free to swap out whatever. And these, you know, my ratios for this cocktail doesn't need any explaining. I do kind of very, very similar in every single cocktail. So 30, 30, 30. So 30 ml of JD Rye. And then I'm going for, give it a shake, get all the coffee in there. I'm going for 30 ml of the world's best coffee liqueur. Look at that. So 30 ml of Mr. Black. Oh, the coffee notes. Oh, it smells so good. Then the only sweetness I'm adding to this is my ginger liqueur. Brand new ginger liqueur to me at 15 ml, half an ounce of that. And then my final ingredient is my espresso, spelt with an X. This is very special espresso, not your common sort of espresso. This is proper espresso. All right, so we are going. Sorry, haters. Sorry, we are going for 30 ml, 1 ounce of espresso. Now, what we're going to do is just ice this up and give it a good old shake down for how many seconds? You know, don't you? You know, 10 to 12, come here, 10 to 12 seconds, good, hard, fast shake. Right, and when you're out of breath, I'm going to serve this up. I haven't done one in one of these, espresso in one of these. I'm going to double strain this into a little Nick and Nora glass. How do we like that? And then just to garnish, I was going to grate some over the top, but I thought, nah, let's slice it. I've got a little slice of ginger. If you want even more Mr. Black espresso martini cocktails, coffee cocktails, dive into videos or playlists up there. As always, give me a big old like if you like the recipe. And if you don't want to miss any of my future content, make sure you subscribe to the channel.